In this video, I'll show you how you can optimize performance using virtual memory on Windows 10 and Windows 11. Now what we want to do is we want to come here and search for View, Advanced System Settings, head over to Advanced and open up Settings. Now once you're in here, you want to go to Advanced once again, find Virtual Memory, press Change, uncheck this one and do Custom Size. Then what you want to do in here is you want to find your initial size, which is going to be your recommended. So I'm going to type 2934. Yours is probably different, so just type whatever you have as your recommended. Then what you want to do is the maximum size. We want to open up our calculator. And then what we want to do is we want to find how much RAM we have. So search for System Information and scroll down until you find Installed Physical Memory. You can see I have 16. You might have 8 or 4 or even 32. But just find your number and you want to times that number by 1024. So just like this, 16 times 1024. There we go. As you can see, now it says 16,384 for me. Yours might be different if you don't have 16. And then what you want to do after this is you want to times this by 1.5. Enter. And as you can see now I have 24,576. So I'm just going to type this number in. Just like that. Press set, press OK. And then it's going to ask you to restart your PC. And then you can just do that. And then it should now be optimized. So that's basically how you can do it, guys. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.